Hello all, welcome to Cloudy ML, and today I'm gonna walk you through AI for All, a complete hands-on machine learning experience with mentorship support. So you can always come to the website for full details, but now I'm gonna take you to my LinkedIn page where I keep making regular posts and give you a crisp understanding of the course offering. So we have around 25 plus assignments which covers all the important concepts of Python, machine learning, stats and SQL which are used in the industry by people like us in the data science world. The key offerings include assignment mode from day one. So from day one, you will be put into assignments, and assignment will have YouTube content links. So what happens when we do courses on Udemy or Coursera, we just watch the videos and after some days we forget it. We don't do any hands-on practice because there is no such kind of force given in those learning platform, learning methodology. Now here we have put assignment from day one. So your main learning is to complete the assignment. If you complete the assignment one, then you can go to assignment two, then three and four and so on. And now for if you don't know some concept, so what we have done, we have made a good collection of all the good YouTube videos out there in present in the open world. All those good content creators videos we have put in a very structured way. So in the notebook, if you come to a notebook example, you will have a video link. See, you have a video link. For that video link, whatever concepts are taught in those videos, we have questions here. You have to write the coded solution here. So this is how the assignments look. I will give the link of the assignment. It will take you to this place Colab where you can see and run the code and see. This is one of our sample assignment for NumPy. You can have a look of the difficulty and the kind of clarity we give and kind of video links we have attached. Now again, even after watching the YouTube videos, if you have some doubt in solving the assignments, you can ask the mentors to resolve all your queries. So mentors will be available over Skype to help you. So if you see here, we have a questions like the people will be asking questions related to the assignments and our mentors will be solving them. So in this, we will have a group where you will be there, mentor will be there and I will be there to resolve all your queries. Now most important thing, so we enroll a course but we become very lazy after some time. We are very enthusiastic in the beginning, but after some time we'll lose that enthusiasm. For that we have made a relationship manager who will take care of your learning progress. He will uh, he's responsible to understand any issue you're facing, why you are not submitting assignments for long. So there will be constant follow-up reminders, and we have deadlines. So you will be asked to complete this assignments on deadlines. Now again, deadlines is something soft and indicative. We have final deadline of 4 months. That is also soft and indicative. So to force you to do constant learning, if even if you're not able to complete within 4 months, don't worry, we can extend it very well, but we will try to make you complete the assignments within that period so that your learning is very nice. And at the end you will have a course completion certificate by CloudML. Okay, now let's jump to the website. So here you can come for this AI for website, and in detail you can understand the course curriculum, the topics we are covering, the assignments, their topics, everything is mentioned here. If you go down, we have SQL Cloud also happens testing as a part of this. And as a final assignment, we have a big Kaggle project where you will apply all the concepts learned till now, and this will give you a complete understanding. All basically all our machine learning assignments are kind of mini projects which will give you a very good learning and hands-on hold on the machine learning concepts, the whole pipeline of machine learning. So this is this is like price of this course, but though for those all of you who are watching this video on YouTube, we have given a special discount over and above this price. So go out and check the link in the description section. You will get a special discount. And yeah, this is all from our side. And if you come, you can ping me on LinkedIn if you have any doubts. And few days back we achieved 100 learners in just 20 days. It was a big achievement for all of us. And this is one quite popular post recently I made. It's a nice post, people liked it so much. You can come to my LinkedIn profile. I'll give you my LinkedIn profile link, and you can friend request me and talk to me about any doubt you have. Thank you very much. Bye bye.